Today we are going to be talking about how to get views and get your video recommended on YouTube. And we're also going to be talking about some tricks that you can use to increase your channel visibility here on YouTube. This trick can actually work for beginners and can also work for some creators that already have subscribers but they are still having low views on their YouTube channel. So do make sure to watch this video from the beginning to the end and apply all the tricks on this video, and you are definitely going to start seeing better results on your YouTube channel. And if you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Now, the first trick is to make sure that you have alternate YouTube accounts. As you can see, I myself, I have other YouTube accounts that I created with other Gmail as well that I'm utilizing. So anytime that you upload your YouTube video, use those alternate YouTube accounts to watch those videos from the beginning to the end, and also drop some engaging comments on that video. And once you are done with that, don't just stop there. Use your channel to reply those comments so that you can make it look much more realistic. And the reason why you should be doing this is because once you are doing this on your YouTube channel, rather on your YouTube videos, once you are done uploading it, it's going to help to send positive signals to the YouTube algorithm. And apart from that, it's also going to help to increase your click-through rate, thereby leading to YouTube pushing out your video to a wider audience, leading to much more views for your YouTube channel. The second thing that can lead to much more views on your YouTube channel is by starting to upload videos much more consistently here on YouTube. This is actually super important because when you are doing this, you're actually increasing your channel video library. And once you're increasing this library, it's going to activate a snowball effect, which is a situation where different videos will start bringing in views and different videos will start bringing in subscribers. So you can see in such a situation, you start getting views from nowhere every day, and subscribers every day will just be coming on your channel because you have a high library of videos that are providing values to a lot of people here on YouTube. So that is very important. So when it comes to uploading consistently, you can either upload on a daily basis, that's if you can handle that. But if you can't handle that, you can just be uploading like 3 times every week so you don't get burnt out here on YouTube. The third thing that you should do is to totally avoid sub for sub completely, because if you are doing sub for sub, what you're actually doing is that you are accumulating a lot of people that will not be watching your videos. Whenever they see your videos in their YouTube feed, they are just going to scroll past your videos because they are not your right audience. They didn't actually subscribe because they love your videos. They actually just subscribe because the whole thing is mutual. Like, you guys want to increase your subscribers count physically, and that's just it. They don't want to watch your videos. So whenever they see your videos, they are going to scroll past it. And that is actually bad because that will be sending negative signals to your YouTube algorithm, leading to it thinking that maybe your videos is not interesting. So that's where you start getting low views because a lot of people are skipping or rather scrolling past your video. So you can see, so this is actually very, very bad, and it is something that you should need to avoid, because if you start doing this, it's going to cause much more harm than good to your YouTube channel. I myself have learned a lot from experience, because when I came on YouTube, I actually start from sub for sub, and I had to learn lesson the hard way because no more actually told me that this is the negative part of sub for sub. So I actually had to learn this lesson my hard way. So if you look at your screen right now, you see a video that I actually did talking about sub for sub, and talking about my experience and everything about it, so I can warn others about sub for sub, so that you guys can also avoid it. Because if you are to do it, you might actually learn your own lesson the hard way. So it's actually better that you just learn from my experience. So I would suggest that you watch that video if you want to learn the dangerous things that sub for sub can actually do to a YouTube channel. So I'm going to suggest that video at the end of this video for those that are interested, so that I can easily watch it and assess the video. The fourth thing to do when you are still new on YouTube, or you are just trying to get a lot of views on your long form video, is to limit the amount of shorts that you are posting on your YouTube channel. Because if you are to be posting too much shorts on your YouTube channel, the time that people will use to watch your long form video, they will actually be watching your shorts video. Because on YouTube, when your audience they come on their YouTube feed, YouTube is actually going to be suggesting your video. So if you have too much shorts on your YouTube channel, the time that YouTube will use to be suggesting your long form video, YouTube will be suggesting your shorts to your audience. And we both know that if you want to make a lot of money and increase your revenue here on YouTube, you need people to watch your long form videos, not your shorts. So you can see. So just make sure that you are limiting it, so that that time that people will be spending on your shorts, they will be spending it on your long form video, leading to YouTube actually pushing your long form videos and giving them much more views, which is actually what you need on your YouTube channel. And also, one thing about short lovers People that love watching shorts, they are used to watching videos that are short. So if you are accumulating a lot of short lovers on your YouTube channel, just know that they will not be loving all these long form video that you are posting. All they will be looking forward for you to be posting is your shorts, because they just love things, short videos. So when you're uploading long form videos, they are not going to be interested in it. So that's one thing that you should also keep in mind when you're uploading too much shorts on your YouTube channel. Now, the right thing to do is to focus on your long form video, like I said earlier, because shorts are something that I feel big YouTubers are the ones that are supposed to be posting shorts. And the reason why I feel this way is because these big YouTubers, they have a large audience on their YouTube channel. And not just that, they have fans, like people that are inspired by their videos. So those people, they are willing to watch all their videos, both their shorts, both their long form videos. But you that is just starting on YouTube and you are trying to gain recognition, you can't be posting shorts and be posting long form videos now. You just make the whole thing too tiring for everybody to watch. So some people might start watching your short and leaving your long form videos, while some people will be watching your long form videos and leaving your short. So you can see. So you just have to be patient with this whole YouTube thing. When you want to start up on YouTube, focus on your long form video, and first of all, just leave that short. Once you have gained recognition here on YouTube and you have made it big, then you can start posting short once in a while. At least by then you have a lot of fans that will be watching that short and consuming all your content that you are posting on your channel. And also, once you get monetized on YouTube, I will also advise you guys to focus on your long form videos, because if you are focusing on your shorts, you are going to be limiting the amount of revenue that you are going to be making on YouTube, because I guess your plan for your YouTube channel is to get monetized and make money here on YouTube, right? So if that's actually your plan, you can't actually be depending on shorts to do that, because if you want to make money from shorts, you need to start making high amount of views, or rather getting high amount of views, like 500,000 views, 1 million views, for you to make good money from shorts. But from long form videos, just 10,000 views, you still make something. So you can see, so long form is actually better when you are just starting out. But once you've made it big here on YouTube and have a lot of fans and super fans and people that are inspired by you and your content, then you can start posting shorts once in a while as well. Before I bring this video to a close, there are a lot of YouTubers out there that they are uploading videos and they are not getting views. They are just getting low views, like 10 views, 20 views. And this is actually super depressing, because when you are putting hard work in making these YouTube videos and you're not getting any views at all, it can be really tiring and depressing. And before you know it, you might even stop posting here on YouTube. So I actually made a video about this whole thing, about uploading on YouTube, getting low views in the beginning and stuff like that, and experience and a lot of stuff that I learned, and the reason why you should keep uploading even if you are having 0 views on your YouTube channel. So if you are a YouTuber and you're actually experiencing that on your YouTube channel, you are getting low views and you are getting depressed and stuff like that, I would suggest that you actually watch this video, and I promise you that by the end of that video, that you are going to be motivated to keep uploading on YouTube even while you are getting low views. So I'm going to suggest that video at the end of this video as well, so you can easily access it and watch it. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected, because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.